to please, giving too much importance. My love will have you fall to your knees. Don't tell them this too often. No better than to bark up my tree, just for me to fall and leave. Now I'd rather just watch you smoke and drink, steering clear of any headaches to start. And if we're being honest, I'd rather your body than have your heart. Under this written comment, come when you're letting me feel it. I don't want, I never let it go too much. It get it too emotional, yeah. Better off without it. Better off being wild one. No lie, had to keep letting thousand. So that I'm better off not being around you. Wanna face it, I'll never be ready for you. Ready for you. I swear my love is a curse, make you hand over shoes. Hand over shoes. Let's put them topics to bed on the roof, just to sit every day. You keep insisting I listen to your proposition of business. I'm not going fancy. Feeling clear of any headaches to start. And if you're being honest, I'd rather your body than half of your heart. Or just written comments, come when you let it know.